Good morning, girls. Are you all ready with your presentations? Okay, Anusha, you go first.
So I'm gonna do a presentation on introduction to psychology. So what is psychology? Thank you.
என்னது இதெல்லாம்?
ஷாப்பிங் பார்த்தா தெரியல.
ஷாப்பிங்கா? ராத்திரியும் பகலுமா நான் வேலை செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கேன், காசு தானம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க நீ.
நீ என்ன தனியா விட்டுட்டு போனா நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்?
அதுக்கு தேய்ச்சி தேய்ச்சி காடை தேஞ்சு போட மூஞ்சி மாதிரி ஆக்கிட்ட.
Nandini Raman. I'm a psychological counselor and a trainer. Let us first look at what was Anusha's story really about. The first bit is really interesting, where she actually wakes up with a little messy hair and immediately kind of fixes it and takes a picture and says, "Good morning world, I'm looking so nice and pretty." But the second thing is more interesting, wherein she is scheduled to take a class seminar. The seminar goes horrible, and then she actually posts messages and pictures saying that it was a fantastic, superb seminar. The second story is that of Rasika, again someone who's really health conscious, but that is not the image she's actually portraying in the social media. She comes across as this massive foodie who's really interested in, she just wants to take pictures of all these yummy food things available. Her mother leaves a box of sweets, and how difficult it is for her to keep herself really away from it. And in reality, actually, she's probably working out, gymming, and to keep and maintain that figure and shape. But there is a faulty message that she's actually communicating to her friends and to everybody out there in social media. The last character is again very interesting because she is a young married woman, okay, probably in her late 20s, and very significant again, right? Because there is a marriage, there is actually trouble in the marriage. She has marital discord with her husband, lot of arguments, lot of misunderstandings from time to time. To an extent, there is actually some piece of jewelry that she really wants to buy, and he actually screams at her saying, "Why have you bought so much, and why have you spent so much?" And for her, she actually not only does go ahead and make the purchase, but she also goes posting saying that it is a gift bought for me by my husband, right? So the acceptance that there is trouble in my life is completely not there, which to us is really that you're living in denial. There is a parallel in all three stories, right? And it is just depicted in this short film, right? That they are actually probably going through really turbulent times, but that is not what they want to portray. There is something that's really the opposite that they really want to front in front of their friends or peers or people that they know, acquaintances, and they don't really want to get in touch with the reality of the situation. All three characters in our story, of course, have this theme that they want to portray something which is not true, and they are much comfortable coping with their lives living in denial. Okay, but why do people actually do it? People do it because yes, there is a science behind it. Somewhere there is a need deep down in the subconscious that I want to be accepted, I want to be loved. There are things that probably I have not had in my childhood, or things that I have not received from others. Be it love, be it attention, be it generous compliments, okay, strokes, positive feedback, and various other reasons why people behave in a way that, I have a very good life, and you are the one who's actually missing out on something. So sometimes it is really like reverse psychology, where they actually portray things to be like so pretty and perfect, wherein actually there is a lot of when you dig deeper from the surface and actually get deeper into the skin and into the client's real life situation, you will find out that there is a lot of not just pain but trauma or negative feelings, baggage, conflicts, unresolved issues that the person is actually carrying. And probably perhaps the only way that he or she can find some method to the madness of their existence is by actually putting on this kind of a fake front.